Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So the cabbie them and the taxi driver them say them nah hold it, them nah do it anymore. They're not going to be using them anymore because they're trying to pass new laws for them. And it says cabbies in Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region pulled their services Monday to protest against the bill which is before Parliament and a number of other issues that they claim are threatening their livelihood. We are being taken for a ride and therefore the operators consider it financial slavery. And this one call financial slavery. When I think the highway will only pay for 50 years of financial slavery. Don't think about on an airport that's being managed by Mexicans. That's financial slavery. But anyways, Jamaica Association of Transport Owners and Operators, JATOO Vice President Everton Style told Loop News. The protest action started early morning and escalated up until midday as operators who had stopped working and gathered at the Mandela Park in Halfway Tree hassled those who continued to work, forcing them to also withdraw their services. Me no wrong them one bit. Okay. The cars were parked along the corridors and side roads along the Mandela Park as the operators voiced their gross to many police officers, including why am I sitting? As the operators voiced their gross to many police officers, including Deputy Superintendent Errol Adams, the head of the Public Safety Division of the recently established Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Among the proposal in the new Traffic Act that PV taxi operators is the plan to tag owners of public passengers vehicles with the offenses committed by the drivers. So basically, if you have one taxi you run on the road, you give somebody if you run it and them commit a crime with it or they bounce down somebody, the owner of the vehicle is actually going to be responsible and liable. According to the bill that was tabled by Transport Minister Robert Montague, tickets and fines shall apply to the owner of the vehicle as if the owner was driving the vehicle when the breach was committed. However, the owners will not be hit with detriment points as a result of the branches. Taxi operators also demonstrate against what they claim as harassment by the police and transport authorities workers. Operators who driven 7-seaters also complained to Loop News about not being able to carry what they consider to be full loads because they're being told that they must only carry 5 passengers. Wow, that's not good. They're not going to make any money if their vehicle holds 7 passengers. They also voiced disgust at not having proper parking facilities and proposed fines for public passenger vehicle operators who are caught driving without badge showing that they have gone through the requisite training. Among the routes that were affected with services to and from Halfway Tree were Papine, New Kingston, Augusta, Mountain View, Duane Park, 3 Miles, and Walham Park Road. So them not take it anymore. Honestly, I cannot wrong them because the way how these taxi drivers are being killed lately, of late, I definitely would protest too because not only is their life in danger when they're taxi operators and then they want to force a bill on them that's not going to make them money, but they're going to fine them and the fines are going to cost more and all that. Like, that too much. Too much. Let the people live. Okay, Jamaica have issues enough with not having enough employment for people. If somebody run one taxi, make them do it as long as they have the necessary requirements like them license and them insurance and all that. That's like, I don't get it. I do not get it. And then they want the owners to be liable for things that happen to their car while they're not driving. That is just crazy. That is craziness. If somebody take my car, drive it, go bunk somebody, then I'm supposed to pay the person where the driver bunks and not the driver that drives the car and bunks the person. Like, that is crazy to me. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Like, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.